Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a special day because I'm announcing my winter launch for Camarda crystals. So I'm just gonna go right into it. I don't want to bore you with all the details. So if you don't know what Camarda crystals is or how it works, I will link some videos on just all about it because I have done videos on what it is and what we do. This is going to be just talking about the new launch, so let's just get right into it. So first of all, the charity that we're going to be donating to this winter is called One Warm Coat. You donate money and they give people coats so that they can be warm during the winter time. Now usually I do make donations right after a launch ends. For example, we had our fall launch, we were benefiting Direct Relief. I'm going to be making that donation tomorrow at the start of our winter launch, which if you're watching this, it is now tomorrow because we are launching on December 1st, which is today. But for this one, we're going to be donating at the end of every month just so that we make sure people are getting coats when they need them and we're not donating them in March and in the warmer months. So 10% of every purchase will be benefiting One Warm Coat. So now let's get into the products. Now, this is definitely our biggest launch ever because it has a lot of products. We kind of have two launches in one. Let me first get into the main launch, which is our winter 2019 launch. This is like permanent items starting today. So first of all, you may have noticed already, I'm wearing a blue choker. So this is blue chalcedony, as you can see, and it's very sparkly because it's faceted. And I loved this one because it's very sparkly and more of like a winter blue, very light blue. So this kind of stone is a type of quartz and it has a very soothing or calming energy about it. It's said to be a throat chakra stone, so it helps with communication and things like that. And it basically just promotes stability and being grounded. So as you can see, this is the one bead, and there's going to be 3 main stones for the winter launch. So this is the first one. We're gonna have this type of stone in every single product that we sell. For example, the 1 bead choker, and then we also have the 3 bead choker, as you can see. This is the 3 bead. And then we also have the same thing in a bracelet version. And just so you know, our pricing is the same for every single product. The 1 bead is $8, the 3 bead is $10, and then the bracelets are $30. Okay, so this is the second stone. This is clear quartz, and this is like a staple in anyone who wants to start with crystals and healing and stuff like that. Clear quartz is really good because it's very versatile and you can basically program it with any intention that you have. Any type of thing that you need help with or anything you're trying to like manifest, you can use this stone because it can literally absorb any kind of energy. And I love this stone because it's very like icy looking in my opinion. As you can see, it's very translucent, so it kind of just looks like ice to me and very wintry. Plus it kind of fits in with like the translucent clear shoe type thing that's been going on, like that kind of trend. So I really like these. So this is the 3 bead or the classic, and then here's the 1 bead version of that, as you can see. And then we also have the bracelet, and the bracelet's really cool. It looks so icy to me and just very like reflective. It really catches the light. So I definitely love the clear quartz. I think it's gonna be like really popular with people. So this is the 3rd main stone of the winter launch. This is white agate. This stone is known for being a stone of balance, and it really helps with just mental things like being anxious or frustrated or needing clarity. That's what this stone is really good for. Agate in general is really gentle, so it's very good for grounding and things like that. But as you can see, this is the 1 bead of the white agate, and this is just a pure white. We have a similar white bead, which is howlite, but it kind of is like that marbly look. This is just a pure white stone, and this was perfect for winter as well. And it just reminds me of snow and winter whites, things like that. Here is the 3 bead of the white agate. Here's the bracelet of the white agate, just a pure white bracelet. So those were the 3 stones that are going to be permanent to our website now, but they are the main winter launch. I didn't want to do nothing festive, as you can say, so I'm coming out with a very exclusive line of stones. So I just put this on. This is our new red holiday stone. It's technically a type of marble. It's dolomite marble, and that has properties as well, but I do want to explain first. It is dyed to be this really nice red color, and I thought this would be perfect for the holidays, but it is going to be limited edition edition. So these red products are only available for the entire month of December, and then once we hit January, they're gone. So this is really limited, and I almost didn't do it because I really wanted to keep the cohesiveness of all the whites and cool tones, but I really wanted to do the red. I'm gonna keep it just for this month, but the thing with this type of marble is that it's a very energizing type of stone, and it's all about bravery and overcoming your fears if you wanted to learn about that stone. But I honestly picked it more for just the aesthetic of having a really nice red stone in the winter. Like even this right now is such a look with like the white sweater and then the red lips and like the red stone. Like I just love that. It is going to be limited edition just for the holiday season. It's gonna have like special holiday packaging. So yes, if you want this very exclusive stone, I would be like quick on this one. Here's the 3-bead version of that, and I just love the red because it's very like true red. It's not too dark or too like orange toned. Here's the bracelet, and I love this bracelet. Like I can see a lot of people wearing this. So yes, I'm really excited about that one. I think it's so cool to have something like that limited but in regular styles, because then it's kind of like, oh, where'd you get the red one? You know what I mean? Okay guys, so if you have already been a supporter of Camarda crystals, you know that during the fall we had 2 exclusive limited edition necklaces that are now gone, but I do have 2 new ones now. This is very similar to the bronze druzy one that we had, if you guys know what that is. This is the same thing except the pendant is like a really sparkly white, and I keep calling it the snowflake necklace because it literally looks like fallen snow, and it's just very like clean and cool toned. This is what that one looks like. This is the silver druzy necklace, and as you can see, the middle is completely white and sparkly, and this is true sterling silver, by the way, if you were wondering. So these necklaces go for $20 just because of the higher quality materials on them, but I still try to keep them inexpensive. And then lastly, we have a new type of necklace. This is the same thing kind of, but it's with a gold chain instead of silver. Last time we had 2 silver necklaces. This time I'm doing gold and silver just to switch it up. I felt like you needed gold for the holiday / winter time, I guess. I just think gold is so wintry and classic. But as you can see, this one has a gold chain, and then the pendant on it is like a bigger teardrop, and the inside has the same color. It's like that sparkly white. So I think both of these will match pretty much anything, but it really is up to your preference on which one you prefer, unless you want to get both. But yeah, I just love this one. I think it's just like so classy looking and elegant and I guess Christmassy, but really like you can wear it anytime. All right guys, so that was everything. I'm now wearing the classic holiday edition Camarda crystal. But anyway, before I go, I just want to say that starting today, all of today, which is Sunday, and then all of Monday, which is Cyber Monday, we're going to be having free shipping to celebrate the new launch. Also, for everyone that orders today on launch day, you will get a couple surprises in your package. So I'm not gonna say what that is, but I will throw a little extra something in there. And I did that last launch too with the fall one. If you want the little surprise, order today. But yes, that's everything. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you check out the site for any questions about sizing, shipping, things like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you to everyone who supports the business and my channel. I'm going to be recording a lot more videos now. School has been wild. It's been like holidays and stuff, but I will be getting back into it. I have a really cool video coming probably next week if I can get everything in for that. But yes, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.